started from the bottom. No computer.
So, you remember how I was ranting in my shopping haul from Hot Topic where I got all of like my Bratz doll accessories, clothing for the 20th anniversary? I was ranting about how Hot Topic was supposed to launch the original Bratz dolls, packaging and everything. I signed up for like the email notification so when they were gonna launch it, I could snatch them up. But when I bought everything for that shopping haul, the listings that they had of the original Bratz dolls was all sold out. I got no notification and I was so upset because I wasn't able to get my hands on them. Does that kind of jog your memory if you watched that shopping haul, that little rant? Walmart came in and saved the day. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video here on my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be doing a very special unboxing of the 20th anniversary Bratz dolls. I was just scrolling through Facebook one day and I saw someone repost someone else's post, but in this repost, this person was talking about how Walmart had the OG Four Bratz dolls. When I saw that post, I went straight to walmart.com and they actually had them. I was so excited. I bought them instantly. I even bought one for my sister. Like right when I saw that they were on Walmart, I quickly messaged her and was like, hey, tell me who your favorite Bratz doll was back in the day or who still is. And so I ended up getting one for her and I have all the packages to the left of me. I have not opened them yet. And so that's what this video is going to be. I have my Bratz doll 20th anniversary shirt on that I got from Hot Topic. If you haven't seen that shopping haul I was talking about in the beginning of this video, I'll make sure to link that so you can go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today and I am so excited. I might cry, not gonna lie. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. If you would like to see my unboxing of the 20th anniversary Bratz dolls, then just keep on watching. So I got this order in a couple different shipments and they came in 3 boxes. Some boxes are bigger than others. Very strange, but we're just gonna kind of start with the top one and work our way there and we'll do that. So we will start with this smallest one up top here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't know which one it's gonna be. So like I said, they launched the Four Original Bratz dolls, which would have been Jade, Chloe, Sasha, and I always called her Jasmine, which I'm wondering, like, is this a Mandela effect? Because I swear her name was Jasmine, but looking at the spelling of it, it probably is pronounced Yasmin because it's spelled with a Y. So I got all 4 of them and then one extra, like I said, of my sister's favorite. So that's what's gonna be included in this little unboxing. They did also launch in the collection the Bratz doll Cameron, which I still have Cameron. I still have a good portion of my Bratz dolls from when I was younger. And I guess we could start with that really quick, why I'm so excited about these Bratz dolls and why I had to pick them up. It is definitely bringing me back to my childhood. Definitely Barbies, because like, I mean, I feel like Barbies is just one of those things that like we all played with when we were little. But putting Barbies aside, my top favorite things to play with when I was younger was Polly Pockets and Bratz dolls. Honestly, ooh, it's hard because I feel like I definitely went through phases with both of them, but I feel like Bratz dolls has a very special place in my heart. I feel like that sounds like so stupid to say, like it's just toys, it's not that big of a deal, but I loved Bratz dolls when I was younger. Me and my sister would literally play with all of our toys together, with all of our Bratz dolls. Like we had so many of them, we had so many different accessories. We had the mini Bratz dolls, we had the mini Bratz dolls mall, the mini Bratz doll houses, all of the different outfits. Like we had so many of the things dealing with Bratz dolls and I don't know, like just seeing this collection launch and just the fact that it's been 20 years just blows my mind. And it just, I don't know, it's just very like sentimental to me, and just kind of a little piece of my childhood coming back to life. And it's just awesome because I feel like we're all in the same boat, whether you're someone like me that likes childish things and likes to buy toys or you're not. I feel like we're all kind of on the same page that just getting older in a way is just sad. It sucks being an adult, and like that's why I enjoy stuff like this. That's why I'm such a huge Disney fan. That's why I have so many toys and other like childish things, because it's just one of those things that makes me happy, and it just kind of reminds you to, you know, not take life so seriously. And yeah, I'm an adult, but I can still kind of, in a way, have fun, bring out my childish spirit and take me back to my childhood. It's just something that makes me happy. And yeah, and it's like, that's why I said in the beginning of this video, like, it honestly makes me emotional. I could be PMSing as well, but but it does, it makes me emotional because it really truly brings me back to my childhood, and it just, so many good memories, and I just, oh, I absolutely love it. So I kind of forgot. I kind of went on a little bit of a tangent there, but what I was trying to say is they did launch Cameron, which is one of the male Bratz dolls. I didn't end up getting him only because they only launched Cameron, and if I'm remembering this correctly, there was 2 male Bratz dolls that were part of the collection back in the day, and I still have both of them. So obviously you have Cameron, and then the other one, I can't remember his name. I want to say his name was Shane, but I could be wrong. So honestly, if they would have launched both Cameron and Shane for the 20th anniversary, I would have gotten them. But yeah, because they only launched Cameron and not the other male Bratz doll, I was like, there's really no point in getting him. Why they decided to do that, I'm not really sure. Maybe because like maybe the male Bratz dolls just weren't as popular, or maybe Cameron was the popular one compared to the 2. I don't really know why, but yeah, I ended up just getting the 4 Bratz doll girls. So yeah, let me finish opening this box right here, and then we will see which Bratz doll is in here. And I have honestly been kind of going back and forth with like, do I want to keep them in their boxes? Do I want to open them? Okay, I got it open. Okay, so it looks like we have Sasha in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, and it even says the 20-year on here. One of the things that I really liked about the relaunching of this is because I'm pretty sure like this is like the original that they came out with, like obviously of the same girls, but not only that, but everything is the same, like down to like the clothing, the accessories, which is kind of another reason I really wanted to get these, because I thought that was so cool. But I don't know, for some reason I am not remembering this outfit at all, or maybe I just like got rid of it right away because I was a dumb child, and me and my sister went through like, you know, a clean out phase of all of our old clothes. So some of our original Bratz dolls and accessories and clothing we ended up getting rid of for some reason. So yeah, maybe this is the original outfit and I'm just not remembering it correctly. But yeah, so here is the first one right here. All right, so I'm gonna move on to the second box here. So I got it open. Okay, so it looks like we only have one in here, and oh my god, it's Chloe. Ugh. Okay, I don't know what this sticker is. Oh my gosh, I really hope I can get that off because that's really ruining the whole vibe of the packaging, but oh my gosh, Chloe was definitely one of my favorites. I feel like it's truly a tie between Chloe and Jade. Another one of those things I feel like I kept going through, you know, back and forth on and going through phases. Like one moment like I was obsessed with Chloe, and then the next I was obsessed with Jade. Like there was like so many things of like the OG Chloe that I was obsessed with, like her fashion. This headband that she has on was my favorite. I love this so much. I'll have to break into my little Bratz doll collection that I still have, like all of like my stuff from when I was a child, to see if I have any of the original clothing items and things like that. So I'll have to check at the end of this video. So yeah, so far we have Sasha and Chloe, so let's open up the next box, the last box, so I'm assuming the next 3 will be in there. So. Oh my gosh! So we have Jade next. Oh my gosh. This was another outfit that I was obsessed with. I think I might still have one of these clothing items, and I think I'm for sure definitely still have these shoes as well. And real quick, I'll just go ahead and pull out the other one. So I have another Jade Bratz doll because, like I said in the intro of this video, I like quickly texted my sister, you know, when I saw that Walmart came out with these, and I was like, quick, tell me, like, either now or back then, who was your favorite Bratz doll? She said Jade, so I ended up getting a Jade Bratz doll for her, just kind of as like a little surprise. I am obsessed. And a couple little fun facts, like I mentioned, I kind of went back and forth with whether Chloe was my favorite or Jade was my favorite, but I do remember the very first time me and my sister ever got Bratz dolls. Her first Bratz doll was Chloe, and my first Bratz doll was Jade. We do not have our original Bratz dolls anymore because we were very young and we got it in our mind that we wanted to give them a makeover, and so we both cut all of their hair off to a very, very short, like bob-esque cut. And we didn't realize by doing that we were ruining their gorgeous hair, because in our mind, like, we were just giving them a new look, just like a makeover, and it's hair, it's gonna grow back. Like I said, we were very young and we didn't realize that they're dolls and they're fake, and just because we cut their hair off, it doesn't mean it's gonna grow back, and their hair never grew back. So we ended up eventually getting rid of those and getting new ones. But yeah, that's just a little fun fact. And then another fact that I have about Jade specifically, I was actually Jade for Halloween, I think when I was like 9 or 10. I don't think I have any pictures. That would be really cool if I did, but yeah, you know, just a little fun fact. So definitely during that time, Jade was definitely my favorite. And I remember when I was younger, her backpack was like my favorite, which I don't even know why. I feel like it's not even like that special looking, but so we have the 3 or the 4, so that means the last one is Yasmin, which she is in here, so let me grab her real quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, another outfit I do not remember. I do remember her headband. It was another accessory that I was obsessed with, and I also kind of went like through a short phase where Yasmin was my favorite, and I feel like the reason for that is just because her hair is just gorgeous and it has these like braids in it, and I was just obsessed with her hair. I wanted it so badly for myself. Oh my gosh, and I didn't even like look at the back of the packaging yet. It kind of gives like a description of like their fashion, and it tells you like everything that they come with, and then down here it's kind of one of those like collect them all, the Bratz pack. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Let's go ahead and read like the description for each of these. So I still have Yasmin right here. So on the back of her box it says, "Hey, my name is Yasmin. My fashion passion is bohemian clothes in earth tone colors and awesome textures. My friends call me Pretty Princess because I rule." I'm gonna read Jade's next. It says, "Hey, my name is Jade. My fashion passion is clothes that are extreme and far out. My friends call me Cool Cat with K's because I love cats and because I'm cool." Oh my gosh. Just like the wording of everything is very like early 2000s. All right, and then Chloe's says, "Hi, my name is Chloe and I rock." It's a little conceited. "My fashion passion is exotic animal prints and sparkly fabrics. My friends call me Angel because that's what I am." And it's very fitting, you know how each of the Bratz dolls have like their own little symbols. So obviously Chloe's is like the little angel wings, Jade's is the cat, and then Yasmin is this like, I always thought it was like a frog. I don't know if it is or not, but because they call her Pretty Princess, it's like this looking thing with like the crown. I don't know. Did anyone else think this was like a frog? I remember hers even when I was younger. I never really understood her symbol and like what a frog wearing a crown had to do with her. And then last but not least, on Sasha's, it says, oh my gosh, hers is like, oh, it's because it's in a lot of different languages. So I was gonna say, like, her description is very long on the back. But hers says, hi, my name is Sasha. My fashion passion is urban streetwear, like beanies and jean skirts. My friends call me Bunny Boo because I love the hip hop thing. I don't know why Sasha's has like all the different like languages on the back. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, but like her descriptions of everything is a lot longer because it's all in like different languages. I don't know where I'm gonna display them. I wonder if there's room like on top of my curio cabinet, because like I think I decided I am gonna leave them in their packaging and also leave them unopened. I was thinking about opening each of them up because they all come with a free poster inside, and I feel like I remember Jade's poster the most. I don't remember what everyone else's looks like, but like, I don't know, I really, really want the free posters inside, so I don't know if I could somehow like open these, or maybe at least, I don't know where the posters are, if it's like in the back or if it's in like folded up in this little like cardboard thing. I don't know, I do really want the posters just to kind of see what they look like, but at the same time, I really just want to keep them like in their packaging untouched. So real quick, before we end this video, I'm gonna go into my little like Bratz doll collection, everything that I still have from when I was a child, and see if I have any of the clothing or fashion. So let me grab that real quick. Okay, so I keep everything in this little like white bin here. So I still have all of my Bratz dolls, and I still have them dressed in whatever I last dressed them in, which I couldn't even tell you when that was, which is crazy. Let me count how many I have in here. I have 10 Bratz dolls in here. So I have some of like the OG characters, and then I also have some other characters which I completely forgot that they also launched. I don't know if I'm gonna remember their names correctly. Here is the Chloe and Jade that I have. This Jade was like a part of like a Rockstar packaging or something like that. I don't really exactly remember. And then here are the Sasha and Yasmin that I have. This Yasmin is a little bit different as well, just because kind of going off of her hair. I don't think I'm seeing any of the like original clothing or anything like that just yet. And then I have this one, which if I'm remembering, I think this was another Yasmin. This might have been like a sporty collection where she played soccer or something like that. And then I have a couple other girls in here, which are these two right here. And if I remember their names, I think this one was Dana, and then this one was Megan. As you can see, I kind of gave Megan a little fun makeover with her hair, which I wish I didn't do because she had her hair styled really cute like when I first got her. And then I have actually 3 of the guy Bratz doll characters. I actually have 2 of the same, which I believe, again, I think his name was Shane. I don't know why I have 2 of them, but I have 2, and then the one in the middle is Cameron. And then all of this are all extra clothing accessories that I have. So yeah, just kind of quickly looking through this. I'm not going to take everything out because I feel like that would just take forever, but I'm not really seeing any of like the OG clothing items, which I mean, I guess it's okay. It doesn't really surprise me because like I said, like these are the originals when they first launched the Bratz dolls, so that would have been so many years ago. But I think it's pretty impressive how much I still have from my childhood. I feel like a majority of people, you know, when they reach a certain age, they just get rid of all their old toys, and I definitely did get rid of a lot of my old toys, including like things dealing with the Bratz dolls as I got older, but I'm still so happy that I kept a lot of the Bratz doll things that I did get when I was younger, because it's just always nice to kind of look back on, and I don't know, I think it's really cool in my opinion. Alright everyone, and that is it for this unboxing of the 20th anniversary Bratz doll collection. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm gonna get going for now, but I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone!